Welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to preserve your bell peppers. I harvested these yesterday. I've got them all washed up and they're ready to go. Peppers do not require any blanching. So literally all we have to do after they're washed is cut the stem off, slice it open, and then you want to remove, I'll come closer so you can see this. You want to remove all of this little white stuff and the seeds. You just want to take those out. And they can go in the compost or to your chickens, whichever works for you. And I like to take the whole pepper off the stem. I don't want to waste any of it. And that can just go right on your tray. I have here in front of me several trays. They're like jelly roll pans, and they're covered in parchment paper. And then you can just slice them up however you want. You want to set them on the tray in an even layer, not touching and not stacked up against each other. This will make it so that they don't stick when you put them in your Ziploc bags or in your Food Saver freezer bags. All right, I'm gonna finish this up because I'm sure you're busy and you don't have time to watch me cut up this whole entire bowl of bell peppers. So I'll get this done and I'll see you back in a minute for the next step. All done, we got 10 trays of beautiful peppers all ready to put in the freezer. All we have to do now is cover them up with something. I'm gonna use foil, but you can use like cling wrap or whatever. Oops. So I just cover them up and I stack them all on top of each other and I just pop them right into the freezer. And it will only take a couple of hours for these to freeze well enough to go ahead and put into your freezer bags. I may wait until tomorrow morning to do it, just kind of depends on the rest of the schedule for the day. But next time I see you, we will be putting these into our Food Saver bags, and that's really all there is to it. So easy. And if any of you have a recipe that's not pickling, but a safe recipe for canning these bell peppers, I would love your recipe because that's what I really want to do with these. But since I haven't been able to find one in all of my vast books and even with my canning communities, I haven't found one yet. I know you can get them in the store, so if you can make them in the store, I know you can make them at home. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this done and I will see you when they're all frozen. Okay. The peppers are all frozen and now it's time to get them in their Food Saver bags. You could also use freezer Ziplocs if you like, or maybe a Tupperware container. I like to use these because they last for a really long time without getting freezer burn. And this is a Food Saver machine, and this is just a roll of bags. They come with all different sizes and shapes, but this is the one that's in here, so that's what I'm using. I'm gonna label what I have in here and put the date on it. And then you just put them in the bag. And then put it inside the machine here and press the seal button. And that's it, ready to go back into the freezer until we're ready for our meals. I've got 9 more trays to do and then I will see you again. And we're all done! Wasn't that so easy? We've got 10 different meals here that will stay good in the freezer for well over a year. And I'm sorry if the background is loud and it sounds like I'm yelling at you. My canner is going, so hopefully you can hear me okay. But I just wanted to thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to your comments, any questions that you might have. And I am going to run away now and go do another project, but I will see you back here soon. Bye!